Ayan guys, topic natin ngayon is about sa C-Bank. Kung paano po ba kumuha ng physical card. Ganito lang guys ito yung aking i-install nyo lang po yung apps ng C-Bank. And then kapag ka meron na po nakalagay nito, nakalagay dito get your physical card. Kasi lagi nauubos to guys ito guys get your physical card, nakalagay enjoy full benefits. Ayan, i-click nyo lang yan guys para mag-apply ng physical card. Ayan, click natin get your physical card. Ayan po siya, yung kanya mga benefits guys. Ang bayad natin ngayon guys is 200 pesos. Unlike dati, 150 lang po yata yung bayad nila. Ayan, cashback on in-store payments. Ayan, may cashback tayo dyan lagi. Transact anywhere, track your rewards. Ayan, a fee of 200 will be charged to your account upon successful application. Apply now natin guys Kuha tayo ng physical card natin para magamit natin sa mga groceries. Ayan, ganyan lang siya guys. And then lalagay lang tayo ng address. Province of Bulacan, Marilao Barangay, Lambakin. Ayan, lagay nyo lang guys yung inyong address, street, four, 5, 6. Landmark. Ayan, lagyan natin landmark. Beside. Ayan lang guys Then next natin. Ayan, 200 pesos pay by C-Bank. Ayan, kailangan may laman yung C-Bank nyo guys yung inyong C-Bank apps. Ayan, and then i-confirm nyo na lang po. Ayan, ipapadala na yan guys sa atin. Try natin i-confirm. Ayan, password ng C-Bank ko. I-post ko lang guys So ayan na guys, order successful nakalagay. Try na lang natin dyan, October 18 tayo nag-order. Wait na lang natin siya ng deliver guys. Nakalagay dito, your card will be delivered within 10 banking days except for certain provinces. Ayan. Ayan guys, so wait na lang natin guys yung delivery niya. Screenshot ko lang siya. Ayan po. And then done na po natin. Ayan. Okay na siya guys. Ayan. So ganun lang po kumuha ng physical card po sa C-Bank. Ayan. Kasi malaki po yung interest na nakukuha natin dito guys. Mas maganda rin para magamit natin sa mga groceries. Ayan. Nakaltas na guys yung ating 200 pesos. 200 pesos na po yung bayad. So hanggang dyan lang guys. Ayan. Gagawa na lang tayo ulit ng video kapag dumating na yung physical card natin. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is Mike Great TV. God bless.